Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete Ludo King chat history. To delete your chat history on Ludo King, first of all launch open the Ludo King application on your device and log in. Once you're logged into the account, tap on the social button at the bottom. Within the social menu, make sure that you're inside chats. Open up any chats with a buddy or a friend from the list, and once you see that, you will then be able to see your chat thread. From the conversation threads, go ahead and tap on the contacts profile avatar at the top left that you're chatting with. Now this will open up the statistics page where you'll need to tap on the little exclamatory icon. In the pop-up, click on delete chat, and then you also have an option to report the contact or block the contact. If you just want to delete the chat, tap on delete chat button in green at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will need to confirm that you are sure you would like to delete the chat conversation. Tap on yes, and that's how you will be able to delete all the messages with the contact that you selected. So that's how you easily delete your chat history with a specific contact in Ludo King. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.